Assalamu alaikum. I am Ghulam Mohammed Norio, student of English Department, Part 1. I am here to present my presentation topic, which is assigned by Sir Wajid Hussain, that is phonology. Today we delve into the fascinating world of phonology, the study of sound patterns in language, and I also discuss about the change of sound patterns. Let's start with the definition of phonology. Phonology is the study of sound patterns and the way sound function within a particular language. So, phonology, which is the study of how sounds work in a language. For example, notice the difference in pronunciation between think and think. Sounds. Languages have distinct sound systems. In Urdu, for instance, has sounds like alif, ba, pa, ta, sa, while in English has its own with a, b, c, d. So every language has different sound system. Here example, consider this in English. The a sound is represented by letter A, and while in Urdu it's denoted by the same sound denoted by element A. Now observe change in sound pattern. See in champion the sound ch change into chemistry, same ch pattern change in k. Into chemistry the change sound k, and choose in choose ch the same sound ch, and character change into transforms into k. Here notice how church the same ch in k. Machine the same sound change in machine sound sh. The same ch change in machine word, the same ch change the sound ch. So the change of sound pattern. And the same ch in mechanism, the ch change sound k. Continuing with a sound transformation, here I write curves change into the sound s sound change into hubs the z sound change, and the same s pattern sound change into girls the same sound change in girls the sound z and further in heads the same sound change in hands the into z. In simple terms, phonology explores how sounds work different language, from the distinct sound system to change in sound patterns. It's a fascinating study that helps us understanding language pronunciation better. Thanks for listening and your attention. This brief journey into phonology highlights the intricate dance of sounds within language. Thank you.